Welcome back to Let's Get Healing with me, day 27. Today is all about indecision. Because indecision is a decision in itself, right? One of my favorite piece of advice I was ever given is if it's a maybe, it's a no. Because if you're unsure about something, you don't really want it. You're thinking about the consequences. You're like, when you want something, you know you want it. But sometimes in saying that, maybe there's fear involved, maybe we're a bit confused, maybe we're pondering different things that have like value in each direction. So, how to make a decision? Simple question, really. I want you to sit down with me and take a few deep breaths, maybe a hand on your heart, hand on your womb. Inhale, hold, exhale, let it go. Again, inhale. Hold, exhale, and then hands on your heart. You're gonna ask yourself, will this make my heart feel fuller or more empty? And really tune in to what it is saying. Another way is, will this make me feel like singing? I always love to have a sing or a boogie in the car or wherever, in the kitchen, or shrinking. You know, do you find yourself like hunching over? Or do you find yourself, so much lighter, this feels good, right? That's important. Like the body speaks with, it has its own energy. It's speaking to you, so just ask it. And I'm gonna show you another way that I was taught how to do it. You can literally ask, I don't know why I'm wearing this, but you can ask your body to tell you. You would stand, so I'll show you, like this, hands like that. Release it all and say, okay, show me yes. And usually your body will pull in the direction that it means. Often the yes is, yeah, I can feel it's pulling you in front of you, or it's pulling you behind you, because your body knows. So you say, show me yes, and we'll show you which direction it's going. Maybe it will go on the side, right? It's all about energy, so really deep tap into your body. And if you have a decision to make, close your eyes, ask your body. You can practice with things like food. You're at the supermarket, or you're about to eat something in the kitchen and you're like, oh, am I still hungry? Okay, am I still hungry? Do I need to eat more today? Oh, no. You know what I mean? Okay, I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you practice it, because I love these little tips. And if you have any questions as well, pop them below and I'll answer them for you. I hope, you have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow.